guys, Do It on a Dime family here. So in a recent swap box I did with Kindercrafty, she sent us this edible pumpkin Play-Doh recipe. I will link her channel down below. Please check her out if you haven't. And since this stuff was edible, I wanted to try and film it. It's super easy. You just need 2 cups of flour and 2 cups of powdered milk. I will have a recipe linked on my blog, and again, she sent this to me, so please go support her channel. And you also need a ½ teaspoon of pumpkin spice. And then in a separate bowl, I just put a cup of canned pumpkin. Now I actually think I ended up putting a little bit more in, and then I squeezed 2 ounces of honey on top, and I just kind of eyeballed it and mixed it all together. Now if I was redoing this, I wouldn't use 2 bowls because that's just more to clean, guys. But anyway, I went ahead and poured that in to my mixture, and it said in the recipe to knead it and mix it up with your hands. Now when I initially did this, I got kind of worried because it wasn't mixing really well, and it was turning into a sticky mess. I mean, this stuff, I could give it to Carson and he probably would have loved it, but it did not look very good. So what I decided to do was add a little bit more flour. And I probably added about a cup or so more, and then I put flour all over my countertop and I just really kneaded it. And then it turned into awesome Play-Doh, like totally amazing. I wish I actually would have added the food coloring to it because then it would have been like bright orange, but I thought it was still cute and pretty orange as it was, and it was perfect for our purposes. Carson loved playing with this stuff. He had a great time. We made snakes with it and it was super fun. So let me know in the comments if you guys try this recipe, if you have fun with it, and I will leave you with the picture of a true DIY kitchen. Oh yeah.